Imagine holding a glass of water. It seems simple, doesn't it? Just a clear, refreshing liquid. But what if I told you that the very water in that glass has a journey spanning billions of years, traversing the vast emptiness of space? The question of where Earth got its water has puzzled scientists for centuries. For a long time, the prevailing theory was that our planet was born dry. The early solar system was a chaotic and violent place, and the intense heat near the young sun would have vaporized any water present during Earth's formation. So if Earth started dry, where did the estimated 1.386 billion cubic kilometers of water that cover over 70% of its surface come from? The answer, it turns out, is a cosmic delivery service on an unimaginable scale. The prime suspects in this celestial plumbing operation are asteroids and comets. These icy bodies, formed in the colder outer reaches of the solar system, are essentially giant, dirty snowballs. As the early solar system settled down, gravitational forces nudged these icy wanderers into the inner solar system, leading to frequent collisions with the young Earth. Each impact, though destructive, brought with it precious water molecules locked within the ice. Over millions of years, countless impacts rained down on Earth, gradually building up the vast oceans we see today. But the story doesn't end there. Scientists are still actively researching the precise origins of Earth's water. By analyzing the chemical signatures of water found in ancient rocks and comparing them to the composition of water in comets and asteroids, researchers are piecing together the puzzle. Interestingly, the water on Earth has a slightly different isotopic fingerprint than the water found in some types of comets, suggesting that asteroids, particularly a specific type called carbonaceous chondrites, may have been the primary delivery vehicles. These asteroids, rich in water and organic molecules, not only gifted our planet with the elixir of life, but may have also delivered some of the fundamental building blocks for it. Think about that for a moment. The water you drink, the oceans that teem with life, the rain that falls from the sky. It all likely originated from collisions with space rocks billions of years ago. You are intimately connected to the cosmos in a way you might never have imagined. This cosmic delivery wasn't a one-time event either. Even today, small asteroids and cometary dust continuously sprinkle tiny amounts of water onto our planet. While these additions are negligible compared to the existing oceans, they remind us of the ongoing relationship between Earth and the rest of the solar system. Understanding the origins of Earth's water is not just an exercise in cosmic archaeology. It has profound implications for our understanding of planet formation and the potential for life beyond Earth. If water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it, can be delivered to planets through these common cosmic processes, then the universe might be teeming with other water-rich worlds. So the next time you see water, whether it's a vast ocean or a single raindrop, take a moment to appreciate its incredible journey. It's a reminder that we are all part of a larger cosmic story, a story written in ice and fire across billions of years, with the astonishing truth that the very essence of life on Earth may have arrived here on a comet's tail or within an ancient asteroid.